Hey there, Stephen, founder of Wit Digital. And first, I just want to say thank you so much for the opportunity to work with you, work with your business, and help you create a bigger impact on your life, your family's life, your employees' lives, and your community. We're very, very grateful that we get the opportunity to work together. And as you know, in the service industry, so much of the business comes based on referrals. It comes on doing a good job and then getting referrals and building that brand presence in the market. And so today, I'm asking you that if we've done a great job for you, who is somebody that you could refer us to? Who is somebody that in the same industry that needs help, that needs a marketing company that's going to be there for them and really create a great strategy that's going to get them increases in business and increases in brand year over year over year? Who is that person? Can you think of at least just one person that we might be able to help? Somebody in your friend group, somebody in a best practices group that you're with, somebody that you just talk to and coach with, whoever that is. We would greatly, greatly appreciate you giving us that stamp of approval and referring somebody over to us. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.